video. I am so glad that you're here for this one. Spring is here and there's one room that I cannot ignore any longer, and that is our laundry room. And I want to say a huge thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video, because this spring reset is made possible because of them. With summer coming and something happening with my health that I want to share with you a little later in this video, getting this space truly organized feels like more than a want right now. It feels like a necessity. Now, on the surface, this room looks fine. It looks tidy and put together when you walk in, but behind every cabinet door, it has become a complete catch-all, and I just can't take it anymore. I love having a system, and a year or two ago, we really did have one in here. We cleaned everything out, everything had a home, and it worked beautifully, but just, somewhere along the way, we lost that system, and it's a mess. So today, we are getting it back. We're doing a deep clean. And I also want to do some organizing and bring in a little bit of spring decor just to kind of make this space feel nice and fresh. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Some of you may remember back at Christmas when I shared my holiday decor storage closet, and it was truly a safety hazard. Like, it was genuinely dangerous to open that door. Well, consider this the spring sequel to that moment. This is so embarrassing, but here's the thing. I spend a lot of time on the internet, I'm sure just as you do, and I see these perfectly beautiful curated spaces, and I always think to myself, I really hope they have a junk drawer or a cabinet or a room that looks exactly like this. And I realize that I'm not always sharing those spaces either. So today I'm being vulnerable with you because this is real life, and I'm sure that so many of you can relate. Drop a comment down below if you have a room like this, or even just a little drawer like mine. Thank you again to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. I want to show you everything that I picked up. First is this Shark Steam Pickup 3-in-1. It vacuums, deep scrubs, and steams, sanitizes all in one pass, which I cannot wait to use on this white brick tile floor. I also grabbed Mrs. Meyer's Lavender all-purpose cleaner for all of the surfaces and cabinet fronts and our sink. And for organizing the cabinets, I got these adorable scalloped baskets in the color Chestnut, and they are so pretty. I love that they don't look like just a utility basket. And then to kind of finish this space off and warm it up in here, I got this scalloped wool rug in beige and white, and this little copper touch lamp for the countertop. It's gorgeous and it's so practical in a laundry room. I found all of this on Lowe's, and I love that I was able to get everything I needed in one place, from cleaning supplies all the way to home decor, all at a really great price. You can shop all of your home needs on Lowe's at the link in my video description. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm putting on my Bible reading for the day. I shared about this earlier this year over on Instagram, but I'm doing a Bible in a year reading plan, and I just love that there's also an audio version because I can pop it on when I'm in the car or when I'm doing tasks around the house, and that has been such a great way to stay consistent with it. So while I'm working through all of this, I wanted to share something with y'all. Some of you know that I had shoulder surgery in 2020 and then again in 2022, and unfortunately both of those ended up failing. I have hypermobility, which essentially means that my joints are just more lax than they should be, and it makes it really difficult for those types of repairs to hold. And beyond the surgeries, we have truly exhausted every other option naturally and medically. So this is where we've landed. After a lot of thought and prayer and research and conversations with my doctors, we have decided to move forward with a different procedure at the beginning of May. It's a more invasive open surgery, and the recovery is going to be more challenging than my prior two surgeries. We didn't make this decision lightly, but the Lord has given us enough peace about it to move forward. And I do feel really good going into it physically and mentally. I've got Chad by my side, who is the most amazing caretaker. Honestly, I hit the jackpot with him, and I would not be doing this without knowing how well he takes care of our family and loves on the kids and I. I'm sharing this with you because so many of you feel like extended family to me. You check in and you pray for us, you reach out, and I do not take that lightly. This is going to affect how I show up here this summer, and I just felt like that was something I wanted to share with you. So overwhelming to me. I have no idea what half of this is for, and Chad probably doesn't either, but you know, when you need a cord, we've got cords, so you just holler at us. But I'm just gonna go ahead and hide what I can behind this and just put everything in here that I don't want to see. And then this is just going to be a messy tub, and I'm okay with that because I'm not going to take the time to unravel all of this and sort through all of it and wrap it all up. So we're just going to do our best with this. So in order to fit my baskets, I'm going to need to move these up just a little bit. I think we should have clearance with our next level up. Have a moment of truth to see if these actually fit up here now that I have, and that they do. Amazing. This is one of those cabinets that is just out of control. I think that we have like dried out Play-Doh from probably 2020 in here. It's such a mess. Every time we open it, something would fall down and hit you in the face, and I know that I cannot be alone in this. Kids' craft cabinets are a whole category of chaos that I feel like we're not talking about enough, so this is me talking about it. The baskets are honestly such a game changer in here because everything finally has a home and I can just see what I have. If it's dried out or it's expired or it is just something we don't reach for, it either went into a trash bin or a donate bin, but I try to consolidate and just get rid of as much as possible. Of course, I kept the things that the kids still use, but there was so much in there that we just simply don't. We are taking this as a fresh start. That I had purchased more of my scalloped baskets, but I didn't. So I'm going to use this one over in the kind of like craft space. And then because the scallop basket is taller and holds more, I'm going to put my rags in there. I am using this Mrs. Meyer's Lavender All-Purpose Cleaner on just about every surface. I love that it works on countertops and cabinets. Honestly, all of it. My washer and dryer. The lavender scent in here is so fresh, and it's just making this whole process feel so much better. There's something about having cleaning products that actually smell good and don't give off that strong chemical smell. So I'm really appreciating how lovely this scent is. We have white brick tile in here and I absolutely love it, but it does get dirty so easily, and keeping it clean has always felt like such a task. So this is the Shark Steam Mop and Vacuum all in one. It vacuums, deep scrubs, and steam sanitizes. There's no sweeping first and no getting down on my hands and knees and scrubbing. It picks up the debris as it goes, and the steam gets into the texture of the brick in a way that just a regular mop cannot. It's so easy to maneuver, almost as if it's self-propelled, which for somebody like me with shoulder issues, I really appreciate it. This is going to make keeping this floor clean so much more manageable going forward. It also works amazingly on our hardwoods. I already tested that out and I am just so grateful for this. This board is from a small shop called Circle and Square Decor, and I love it for keeping the kids' chores organized and visible. We've kind of gotten out of the routine of having something written out like this, and I'm trying to get back into it, especially come summertime. But I've also been looking into the Skylight calendar and one similar, which is essentially a digital version of this if you're not familiar, but it has some really neat features, and I'm curious if you have one. I think it could be great for our kids because they're a little bit older, but definitely let me know in the comments below if you think it's worth it. While it is not perfect, it is so much better in here than it was, and I was able to get this done in about half a day, which I'm so proud of. I worked really hard and just pushed through. These cabinets were truly out of control, and now everything has its home. Nothing falls out on you when you open the door, which was my goal. The kids' craft cabinet alone felt like such an accomplishment. And the laundry supplies, the batteries, the light bulbs, everything is just categorized and contained, and it feels so much more manageable. And then we've got our hutch. It turned out great. It's edited down. Everything that is in there belongs in there, and the things that don't are not. It just feels so much more intentional than it did before. And I love all the little details from Lowe's, the scallop baskets and the rug and the little copper touch lamp. They really did add the sweetest final touches to make this space feel so cozy. much better now, and I am totally embarrassed that I let it get to where it was. But you know what? We're not going to dwell on that because I feel so much lighter just walking in here. And that's the thing about finally tackling a space that you have been avoiding. The relief afterwards is so worth it. And I really could not have done this little reset without Lowe's. Everything from the cleaning supplies to the baskets and the little finishing touches that just made this space feel like a room that I want to spend time in. And I have to because I'm doing laundry all the time. Lowe's really does have everything that you need for your home all in one place and at a really great price, which is something that I'm super grateful for. You can shop all of your home needs on Lowe's at the link in my description. If you've been putting off a space in your home like me, this is your sign to just take an afternoon and get it done. You will be so thankful you did. Alrighty friends, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye friends.